The search bar in NavigateLA is located on the top right corner of the application and lets you locate a parcel or area on the map by entering one of 5 information types: address, intersection, assessor's parcel number, point of interest, and prefix. In this first video, we'll take a look at the address search type. A second video will cover the remaining types. To search using an address, you must apply a numeric house number and at least a partial street name. In NavigateLA, less is more, meaning that typing 4 or 5 characters for the street name is more likely to yield a result than typing the whole character string. Entries are not case sensitive, and you can use an asterisk as a house number wildcard to broaden your search. The NavigateLA search bar is very flexible. For example, the following are some of the valid address entries for searching 600 Spring Street: a complete address, an address with no directional, an address with no street suffix, a partial entry, and a wildcard entry. Of these, we recommend you use partial entry, as it's the easiest and yields the best results by minimizing typo errors. Let's give it a try. Enter 600 SPR in the search box to locate 600 Spring Street. If only one address is found, the map automatically zooms to the parcel associated with it, and a report window appears on the right with links to various related reports. Let's try another address. Enter 201 Fig to locate 201 North Figueroa Street. If multiple address candidates are found, you can select your choice on the results panel by clicking on the magnifying glass icon, and the map will zoom to the associated parcel and refresh the report window. The reports come from various city and county agencies, including Building and Safety, City Planning, and the County Assessor. You can click on any report link, and it will open a new window or a report pane with the given information. In the latter case, you can click on the blue back arrow to return to the full list of reports. When searching for an address that includes a fraction as part of the house number, do not include the fraction in your search. For example, to search for 1016.5 Maple Street, simply search 1016 Maple, and it will show all similar results. Also, when including a street directional in your search, use N for north, S for south, E for east, or W for west. You can also spell out north, south, east, or west. Other abbreviations such as SO for south or NO for north will not get any results, so avoid using them. Please note, if you supply a valid street directional, but it doesn't exist for the street you entered, you will receive a no records found message. In this example, there is no West or East Figueroa Street, and as a result, we receive this message. We've now covered the address search type in detail. In our next video, we'll discuss the 4 other search data types. Make sure to check it out. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question, or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen. eng.navisupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.